Caleb. Caleb. What are you doing? Are you trying to walk? You going somewhere? You going? You want to go somewhere? Come here. Come to Mama. Come on. Hey, Caleb. You want to walk to Mama? Or is that just funny business a minute ago? Oh, you ran the cat over. Uh-oh. Come here. Caleb. Come to Mama. Oh, look at you, big boy. Caleb, can you say hi to everybody? Oh, okay.